Hello everybody, today I have a video talk about chapter 6 for EFC book, unit 1. You see chapter 6, what is title chapter 6 in here? As you see chapter 6, we talk about journey to the moon. Unit 1, the moon from the earth. It is on page 33 and page 34. What does the moon mean? The moon is something in the sky that you can see at night. Wow. Okay, and now you have to read the text, you have to understand the text about chapter 6, unit 1. But before you have to start with all the text, you have to understand some vocabulary, or you can say it is the word study. So now have a look together. In here we talk about the word study. What is the first word? Can you read it? Yeah, the first word is astronauts. Astronauts. So read together. Astronauts. Astronauts. Yes. Okay. Now the participle of astronauts here is noun. What does astronauts mean? Okay, you see? Astronaut is a person who has been trained for traveling in spacecraft. What does astronauts mean in Khmer? It means avokasachor. Have a look at another word. Okay, invention. Read together. Invention. Invention. Yeah. Participle invention is noun. What does this mean? Yeah, invention is something made for the first time. You see? Yeah. Invention. What does invention mean? ការបង្កើតថ្មីឬការច្នៃប្រឌិត Okay. Another one is position. Position. Read together. Position. Position. Yeah, position. The participle position is noun. What does position mean? Position is the exact place where a person or thing is. Do you understand this? Okay. Position. Khmer, it is the tang. Yeah. Another word. The fourth word here, research. Research. You see? Research. The participle research here is noun. We talk about the serious study and collecting of information about something. Now, try to read the word together. Research. Research. Yes. Okay. Research in Khmer. ស្រាវជ្រាវ ការស្រាវជ្រាវ ការរករក Okay, look at the fifth word here. You see respond. Respond. The participle respond here is verb, mean to react to something. It is like the word answer, feedback, you know. Respond, we talk about in Khmer, Another one is telescope. 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 The participle telescope is noun. It is an instrument to make distant objects appear larger. Now try to read together. Telescope. Telescope. Yeah. What does telescope mean in your language? In Khmer? Okay. Another one is tremendous. 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 The participle is adjective. Try to read it. Tremendous. Tremendous. Yeah. Adjective, the participle, and noun. Tremendous means very large in degrees of size. What does tremendous mean? Yeah. ធំសម្បើម ធំអស្ចារ្យ ធំមហិមា Another one is universe. Universe. Repeat. Universe. universe. The participle is noun. Everything that exists, including the earth and stars. Yeah. What does universe mean? Universe mean in Khmer ជាសាកល លក្ខណៈសកល សាកល Now the last vocabulary for this unit and for this chapter is for unit 1, the word bright. Bright. Read it. Bright. Bright. Yeah. The participle of bright here is adjective. Full of light. Shining strongly. Full of light. Shining strongly. In Khmer, ភ្លឺថ្លាត្រចះត្រចង់. Okay. Now go to the next one. We talk about grammar focus. We have to study the grammar point in this, talking about adverbial clause of reason. So, what is adverbial clause of reason? An adverbial clause of reason describes why something has occurred, has happened. The example that you can see here, I like you because you are so friendly. So you look at the sentence, because you are so friendly, it is the adverbial clause of reason. The reason why? Why? Because the answer. I'm going to meet you since my phone is broken. As you see the red color in here, this is the adverbial clause of reason. We use with sin. You see here? Sin. Yes. Another one. As the sky is cloudy, we will get wet soon. So you can see the word as. The sky is cloudy. You see? Okay. We start. Yes. The adverbial clause of reason that you can say. This is called a subordinate. Used with the subordinate conjunction. So it is like a dependent sentence or dependent clause. So here the question is, what are the subordinate conjunction of reason that you can see through the example in the first one? As you can see, the subordinate conjunction in here, we said common subordinating conjunction that you have just seen the example, the three example. You say the word because, as, and since, and so on. Adverbial clause is the subordinate clause, or you can say the dependent clause that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. So this is we call adverbial clause. Yes. You see, now it is only the brief of the explanation talking about the adverbial clause of reason, and you have to know about the adverbial. So here you have to start to go to your book on page 33 or 34. It's up to the book that you study, we talk about, and you have to answer the question. Look at the tape. I give you 5 minutes to. Okay, after 5 minutes now, answer the question. You see? Yeah. When does the moon appear around to us? Answer. The moon appears around to us when it is full. Yes. Another one. Second question. What did early people think the moon was? Early people thought that the moon was either a line or a planet or a god. The third question. Why do scientists know more about the moon nowadays? The answer. Scientists know more about the moon nowadays because of their research. The fourth question. How did Galileo discover new things about the moon? Galileo discovered new things about the moon with the telescope which he had invented. The fifth question, what did Italian society think of the thing he taught? Italian society didn't respond well to the things he taught. The sixth question, how does the moon move? The moon moves at tremendous speed through space. It travels around the Sun at approximately 107,000 kilometers per hour. So now, after reading and answering all these questions, I would like to try to look at section B, read the statement, join them using either because, sin, or else. Now, section B is as your homework and you have to try to do it well. Thank you. Goodbye. See you on the next video. If you want to see it, you can subscribe to this